Good morning. Hello. And we have already gathered a crowd. Awesome, you guys are here.
Hello, Auline, Fryer, Ryan.
Yeah.
Like so cool. We're just gonna call you Ryan.
We're very happy you guys came along, and even if we were a little bit delayed ourselves.
No audio.
That'll be scary. Thank you for just kidding.
Okay, I was like, oh my gosh, what? Just say that it's got audio there.
Yeah.
Stop messing with us. I'm not gonna say Gomenasa for you now.
Yeah, just Ryan is. You gotta say the whole thing. Ryan likes so cool,
Yeah. Well, we do like it. Ryan likes so cool, but he likes Thunder.
We were discussing, or he was discussing in social earlier, the fact that he couldn't get the username just Ryan. Too many users have this username. Please try another. So, it's relevant.
Yes, Auline, I know I just said it. I apologize.
But yeah, we're planning to work on some main menu today. Oh yeah, you asked us to say gomenasai.
Well, yeah, well, I said to her I was like not gonna say gomenasai, and then I said gomenasai.
Gomenasai for being delayed, guys. Yeah, is my hair okay?
It was actually Krista fixing up his hair that took so long.
What?
Krista is the one that takes the longest time. Just saying. Yeah.
That is not true.
Totally is true. I take like 2 minutes, and you take like 10 minutes, like just making sure your hair is nice and looking good.
Right.
Anyway,
I'm not blushing.
Chris is totally blush. Look at the blush. Look at the blush.
Yeah. And by the way, the last screen, we're not offline. It says starting soon, and we are actually live. We should just have some animation in it, maybe.
We should do. Yeah, we should have a balloon go.
Yeah, because that is actually us being live with just like a static screen.
Yeah, we're just being slow.
Mm.
I'm posting on Twitter.
Yeah. What did dogs say to the tree?
What did the dog say to the tree?
Woof woof? Bark bark? Oh, I didn't get it. It does say bark bark. Well,
I feel like an idiot now. It's too early in the morning. Can't take jokes early in the morning.
Oh, yeah. We're missing a dog though. Oh, we forgot to fix up doggo cam.
Hey, where's the dog bed?
Oh, I need to repair this situation.
I don't know what's going on.
We're displacing a muffin.
But where is the other bed? Did you steal it?
Yep. Coming through.
How to displace your dog 101. Oh, Mars is sleepy. Aww. Good morning, Z. Badumts. I think that's the right sound effect. Not good at sound effects. Chris is better at sound effects now.
Yeah.
Doggo teleport.
There we go. Xarath, thank you for subscribing.
Thank you for subscribing.
Awesome. Whoa, okay. He's going with a 2-month streak.
That's awesome.
Because this is the February subscription.
Thanks for the love.
Oh.
I'm just going to send that thanks. I have no idea it came up with some weird thing. We need to get emotes.
Yeah, that is kind of
emotes.
urgent.
Yeah.
Our dog cam is not working out though. But
no, it isn't.
face cam is working.
Face cam is working.
Okay,
That's good.
We're supposed to be here.
What do you call a dog magician? A labracadabrador.
Wow, you're really on today, Evelyn.
I think I need more tea, apparently. Thank you so much, Z. Yeah, we need to start getting emotes. It's starting to get urgent. It gave me this weird emote, and I was like, I don't want that. I want a Mr. Pips emote. Everybody wants a Mr. Pips emote.
Yeah, that is really funny looking.
I know. What is it? I already did that. You just did it again.
Yeah, I know. It came up on the laptop, so I clicked again. So now we have a double thank you because he subscribed for the 2nd month. So we need to double up.
You need to double up.
Oh, we're missing a light.
Oh yeah, I thought you were a bit dim. I'm only here for the bad joke. No. It's just Clara's a bit tired this morning, so she's not very good with the jokes. It takes time. You're good with jokes, Eileen. Just continue with it. But now you got to come up with like.
I think it's we who's bad with jokes.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
You're normally worse than me. I don't understand why you're better than me this morning.
Well,
so yes, we're going to be working on a pause screen, which Krista has.
Super exciting.
Super excitedly drafted here.
Yeah,
which doesn't function.
I did draft it up.
No.
Yeah, I was thinking we need resume, we need save, and we need a main menu button.
Do we?
You
Yeah,
have,
we do.
yeah,
Yeah,
have you those
we
3
do.
buttons? And guess what? I also hooked them up in code, but I haven't like hooked them up. They don't do anything. Like I have made references and stuff. Yeah,
Because they didn't do the work properly.
well, it's more a matter of time, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess so.
And the fact I know that you want to do it together.
Nah, maybe. Just before we get started, what is everybody up to today?
Oh
Let
yeah.
us know what you're up to and if you're snoozing and losing, or whether you're just having a really nice cup of cocoa.
Have you had a productive
beer.
Friday evening, Ryan? I know it's late for you. What time is it there?
It's Saturday morning, Krister.
No, I mean Friday. He's for Friday evening or Saturday morning. Well,
I'm not sure anymore.
game dev working on some hand tracking. All right, that's cool. Yeah, because Ryan is starting a new project.
Oh.
For like how many times we started a new project? Which is gonna make
Well, didn't C also do the same? Start a million
well,
or never finish?
well, he's been continuing on his
I can continue. Okay.
his rhythm game, and also Ryan was thinking about making a rhythm game.
Okay,
Yeah.
maybe they should team up.
Yeah, they're both in, and they're both considering to make VR. Well, we'll see where this goes. I'm the one that never finished it. So what kind of market are doggos avoiding? Well, you can see dog counts with poor right now.
Flea markets. It was another joke, Krister. Congratulations, Ali. What kind of, what was it? Friday was very productive. That's awesome, Arlene. And Z is letting us know when he'll wake up. He's not up yet.
What? I'm confused.
That was back up there. You forgot to say it.
All right.
Ah.
Sorry. And I'm hellbent on learning Houdini. And
Krista wants to learn how Houdini as
so
well.
am I. I just haven't had time to sit down with it more than like a little bit. And it seems so cool because you can plug it straight into Unity and it will live update your procedural stuff. And I really want to do that. And the license isn't too bad if you pay the full price, but you can use also the free one for quite a while. So I want to use Houdini someday. Well, I guess I'm in the same boat because I started a little bit in like November, December, but didn't continue.
Where have you started? You said you hooked up in code. I guess it was in the menus.
Probably the file called pause menu to your left.
I don't see. Oh, I'm blind. I'm blind as a bat.
Yeah, that's a good code to be through.
Yes. I'd say good mode.
I want to use Houdini someday, or make my own because I'm like that. Well, good luck with that. I think Houdini is quite advanced. Oh, that program, that's bonkers. I really want to remember back in the day when I was in university to use Houdini, but their licensing was very expensive, and I couldn't.
Didn't have an indie license neither.
And I couldn't get my hand on the student license for some reason, even though we were doing 3D animation. But
that's weird.
Yeah, there was some other students who did have a license for it. Don't know how, and I was jealous.
You were jealous. Oh, I'm just gonna see what happens first of all, and then I'm gonna. We're just gonna. I think I'm gonna go new game. Wee, look, we have a little loading bar now, and it works. And oh yeah, we updated our cutscene again. Oh, as usual. Oh yeah, we added a little toon shader, and we added a little like
more animations to it.
Nuff on him, on the little boar.
Wiggles his little nose, yeah.
The only person who would understand that is probably Z.
Little nuff.
Little nuff. Yes.
Yeah, I like how your language is deteriorating.
S doesn't work.
I said I haven't hooked it up.
If I spam it, do you think it'll work?
Oh.
I'm spamming here, guys. It's not working.
Give up with you.
I just want a bigger flat so I can have 2 large work desks.
Oh, that'd be lovely.
That would be lovely.
We have the smallest IKEA standing desks, both of us next to each other.
Electric standing desks.
Oh yeah,
so
gotta show off now, like.
Yeah.
Okay, we need this back again.
That was too low. We need to put it a bit further up.
It's too low, is it?
Yeah. There you go. Stop. There you go.
We love these desks anyway.
Wow, that looks really good. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you.
Yeah, glad you like it.
It's coming along slowly but surely.
Mm.
And oh yeah, I got an error there with the pause menu. Not set to an instant.
All right, really?
Yep. Not sure what we did there.
Well, let's find out.
Button main menu.
Maybe I didn't name it correctly.
Oh, you didn't name your button properly.
It's
called
quit.
button quit.
Yeah.
Not good.
All right.
Not good. Well, why would it be quit? It'd be called button main menu.
Oh, you know what? Now we can take advantage of our new stream setup. Because Eileen sent us an IKEA link.
What? Oh yeah, this
Cookies accepteren.
We got to the German.
German IKEA. Now you can click on
Live laptop. There you go.
That's a fine piece of furniture.
Yeah.
Today we have hooked up my laptop to also be hooked into the stream. So this is in my laptop right now. So it's easy for us to like investigate links and look at what other people are sending. So yeah, this is a very nice desk. It has a lot of storage.
It's that's euros, isn't it? 359 euros.
Yeah, it would be.
Yeah, that's a bit pricey.
Not that bad for that big
no,
furniture.
not for that. No.
No.
And I don't.
But it's quite nice that you have the screen kind of like elevated a little bit in the middle there. I quite like that.
I don't know whether you can get away with doing this. NN. No, I did NN.
Probably not.
Was it NGB? Oh no. Oh no.
It's okay.
Oh.
I'll check the Norwegian price in the meantime. It's called Hemnes, so
did you read Z's one? Spamming always works, Grister. Spamming always works.
Spamming what?
Well, spamming always works.
Oh, the ESC button.
The ESC button.
Alright, good morning.
That's a very expensive desk. Mine was like 30 USD.
Yeah. But it is worth it to invest in your desk because at least us, we spend our entire day pretty much at it when we rest, when we work, when we do everything pretty much. So it's totally worth
we live on our desk.
investing in a desk you enjoy.
So.
Yeah, I'm just busy looking at the key.
Congratulations, Ellie.
Okay, I'll stop looking at it. It was a nice desk.
You can even customize the desk setup. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Z says good morning.
And Jay's back. Good
Hello,
morning.
Jay.
Happy Saturday.
Oh, he's got a little monkey emote. That is so cute. Oh.
Good to have you back here.
I need to quickly look where I left my project. Oh, Eileen says. Yes. Do not get distracted by IKEA.
Yeah. It's easy.
Yeah, so now we need to do the ESC button.
Yeah, Jay's asking how game dev is going.
Well, we're trying to make a pause menu, and right now it doesn't function.
Well, this is
the pause menu.
We haven't done any progress today yet. This is from previously.
Well, actually, we have. We figured out that.
Oh yeah, one reference was broken.
Main menu button was spelled incorrectly. So, how are you doing, Jay? What are you up to today?
Okay.
So we need to start putting the button thingy.
Yeah, so on ESC or something. But
what is the button thing for it? Is it just if ESC?
You can do this thing in Unity, to find out.
Oh yeah, it's in not project settings.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Under input here, axes, and then there should be. I think there's one here for. Yeah, there's cancel. Right, escape.
Yeah, okay, yeah. And so, it's called escape. Name cancel.
What is
Do I need to take the name, or should I rename this as escape or cancel?
No. You just take the name cancel.
Okay, I'll take the name cancel.
I just don't remember the syntax exactly. How is that again?
Isn't it input get key?
You can look in the player move script. We don't need to there. No, okay, it is input.key get key down, and then you write cancel as
input.get button down. There you go.
No key. Oh yeah,
it's get button down.
Okay.
It's a button. It's not a key. Yeah. Well, actually, technically speaking, I don't know. It's actually both.
So.
I've done it again. I'm not used to Chris's keyboard once again.
Is the reason why you don't stream 24 hours because we are so distracted? Yes.
No. It's because we have dogs to walk. And we don't have a data package, so.
That's why you concluded. Yeah. No, it's I really enjoy it doing it once a week. It becomes a really fun event, and also a different take on how we do our game. But it's not that different. We usually sit down like this and do our game.
I've been writing bloody JavaScript.
Debug.log. Yeah. And Jay says he's doing well. I'm also up coding a few things. Missed your chill vibe game dev stream.
Thank
you. We should all run. I'm not sure what Oline is up to, but Ryan is wondering where we're running to.
Yeah, I'm wondering where we're running to.
Yeah. Now, Why are you using the old input manager?
What? Is there an old input manager?
Is there a new input manager? Can you send a link to the new one? Because I did not know that.
Because we're currently in an older version of Unity. Because the animations.
Oh, it says here in the documentation, implemented in Unity input legacy module.
Ryan sent it.
Yeah, thank you for linking it. I'm gonna have a look. I did not know there was a new one.
By the way, I have cake again.
Yeah.
Are you gonna share a cake? You know, we did send you a pizza the last time, and we didn't get a cake.
That's a good point, actually.
There you go. Pause menu. It works. See, it works.
Oh yeah, it console logged in the bottom left there. That micro text.
That micro text, which you guys can see right in the bottom corner.
Do you wanna? I don't know. I'll do it. It's going over here. So yeah, thank you, Ryan, for linking this.
Didn't ever know there was a new one.
Introducing the new input system.
Oh, 2019.1, or which version are we on?
We're on 0.2, aren't we?
Yes, we're on 0.2.
So we do actually have access to this.
Ooh. Ooh.
I guess that in our next game we will implement it.
Where is this?
I've never seen this. Alright.
It's got even the new interface as well.
Huh. Alright, this is cool. Thank you. We learned something new every time. This is also why we stream.
Yes,
definitely.
We don't know.
we learn great things like this.
Oh, you should update. You didn't send me pizza. You just made a picture.
Well, you asked for the picture.
Yeah.
Though.
Well, the thing is that if we did send it, it would probably become moldy in the post. So you know.
Thank you for following Arphonia.
Thank you for the follow.
Yeah, we're terrible at pronouncing names.
You're better. You're getting better. You were worse.
This new UI system looks similar to the Unreal Engine 4 again. Yeah, I guess they do learn from each other. So
we have a pause menu being console coded out.
Yeah,
you know,
if you scroll down in this code, you'll see there's like, you know, button resume, button save, button main menu, then show save done, hide save done. That's like a little pop-up which says when you're saved.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But
where is this? I need to see where it is. Is it
pulled the other way? Down.
Down.
There.
Oh, look, it's a little.
You know, I was being creative. Yeah, the little splash there, and that's the sprite we use for when you're in the water and you get like little waves out from you.
Yeah, so Chris decided to make that. Yeah,
I thought it looked fitting, you know. Strawberry blood. Well, that's a good suggestion. Right.
Oh no, Ryan and Aline are gonna just like team up now and like
splats. Hello, Levitans. Hey
yo.
Thank you and welcome to
you said
yeah,
Arphonia's name right. I couldn't even say it right. Yeah, so I just said it right.
All right.
And Fryer made pizza yesterday, but he ate it all.
No good.
That's not good. You're supposed to share. Sharing is good.
Yeah. I liked when there was lots of food posts on the Discord the other day.
Oh yeah. It's very good when that happens. Yeah, so I guess I can just pretty much use this, but
no. So actually, go over to the. Oops. Oh no. We should implement some new functions called show and hide menu or pause. Show pause, hide pause.
Yeah, I should do that.
Do it underneath the update.
I'm just gonna do show pause.
Yeah.
Do you have that one already?
No, that's what you need to implement right now.
Yeah. So I'm gonna use my funky little button thingy.
Generate method.
Oh, poo, go away.
That comes up every time.
Every time. There you go. I did it now. I did it now.
It looks like a puddle of strawberry blood after it's squish. Well, we might change what that splash looks like then.
Yeah, we might need to do that.
But it was a good temporary measure. Where are the dogs today? Are they school?
Winky is there. But because she's the same color as that teepee, she's camouflaged.
She's definitely camouflaged. You do see an ear.
You see an ear.
And I hear snoring. I'll fix the dogs later. We need to
we'll fix them when we give them treats.
Yeah.
Their Saturday treats. And Morris he's conked out over there.
He's lying on the carpet.
He's actually just started dreaming. Right. Yeah, because his little paws are going.
So
we're gonna show this.
So here, what you can do here. I just want to show you what the thought process is here. So we have something called the UI parent. And if we move this one on and off screen, or no, we can activate and deactivate it probably.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah.
In this one, and then the other function, then that should do the trick. And I'm just trying to remember. We have some other UI, we move them off and on screen as well. Isn't it in here?
This is in the dialogue, I think.
Yeah, I think we do something similar where we anchor this one.
Yeah.
And then we set it active so that hides it. Yes, it's this type. And you see it has even the same name, UI parent. We can just copy this.
We like copy pasting code.
Yeah.
Copy pasting code is the best thing ever. I'm also just going to remove the private because I see all the other ones are void.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. That's supposed to be...
True.
No. Just copy this function and make it a hide function instead. We will need
this
a hide
one hide.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or you're going to need a...
I know, I'm not going to need a show and I'm going to need a hide.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to do, like, move these around because I didn't like the ordering.
They are not the skeleton template to base your code on, possibly from like a game dev website where they share stuff. Yeah, I bet there is. I mean, web dev does this all the time with like boilerplates and stuff like that. But game dev often gets like, what do you say? You can do things so many different ways and there's no standard. While in web dev, they're starting to emerge like, this is the good approach.
Yeah.
Or
it's like you should be using this one because that one's more superior and you have less errors. Yeah. And Internet Explorer is your friend.
But then again, we actually do have the Dozzy UI system and we're not using it. Yeah. And that has like automatic ways to do what we're currently doing. But I saw it was a lot to like change to make that work.
Are we going to have it that when you press it again, it's going to hide it? Or are we going to have a little like...
No, we got to press it again and hide it.
Okay.
So you need to do like is showing, then have a if statement and switch between the two.
What? Just like if...
No. If we... Let's see. I was thinking before we get onto that, maybe we should fix those vectors because they are all wrong, right?
How do we know where they are again?
Yeah, so that's go to the UI parent, which would be the pause menu if you click one up.
There you go.
You can see it is at currently -1 to 0.
Okay.
And I think it's the two right values you need to care about.
Yes, I think.
Yeah, I think
there's min and there's max. So I think it's 0 and -1 there, isn't it?
Yeah, so this is show.
Yeah, so that would be coming onto the screen.
Yeah, and
so
it's
this would be 0.
At the moment it's off screen.
Yeah. So this would be going on to... Oh, yeah.
I think it's 0, 0.
0, 0, you think?
And the other one should be 1, 1.
Mathematics.
Right? Or coordinates, because it's funny.
True like that? Or was it false?
The other way around.
Oh, sorry. Wrong one.
That's the show.
I got confused again because I moved them around. I was like, what?
And the other one, you can just type in the numbers that are already there. So that would be the hide state.
The one's there, right?
Yeah.
-1 and 0 and 1. There you go. Job done.
StrawberryGameTemplates.com.
That's not a legit website. No.
I am so upset about this. Why can we not reach that website? You see, even he's upset. That little guy.
I'm upset too.
Yeah. I love that emoji, guys.
I know.
Alright, I think that might actually work, except we need to obviously implement the
hide thingy.
Yeah.
But I also... I'm not a big fan of having to press ESC twice in order to do cancel. There should be a little cancel button on there as well. No, it's the resume button, isn't it?
Yeah, we have a resume button.
Oh, we have the resume button!
And guess what?
The button resume?
Yeah.
So if you click on it...
No.
Oh.
Inside, this one gets called when you click on it.
Oh, does it? Okay, I didn't realise that.
Yeah.
So then I can be hide pause menu. Yes, this makes me happy.
Yeah, okay.
Makes me very happy.
Oh, okay, then we already have the basic function. Let's see if it works and we can do the toggle afterwards.
Chris is like, I'm too tired for this. I've optimized my game so well. Wherever I am, it has constant 60 FPS.
That is good.
Awesome.
But the question is, what hardware are we running at? Because I have that problem too, and we're running on too powerful hardware.
Yeah.
Yeah,
like we don't actually have any
bad computers
anymore.
We keep getting rid of those.
Yeah.
But then your dad tried to like run our old Game Jam game, and it just like
on his new computer.
It did run, yeah.
It did run, and he was so happy because he was playing Mission Squeak, and he was just like, finally I get to play as Agent Wingles. Okay, Dad.
Yeah.
And he rushed off to go play.
There's a 1050 GTX with 16 gigs of RAM and a Ryzen 2700.
Yeah. This is a cheap supercomputer self-build. Yeah.
That is
pretty good.
I would say like a pretty average spec at 1050.
Chris has 32 gig of RAM.
Yeah, that's if you just run server virtualization stuff.
I'm only on 16 gig, aren't I? Or am I on 32 gig? Am I on 32 gig? I can't remember if I bought 32. Okay, are we back?
Maybe.
We've got a little loading button now. Yes, we're back. I think we're back.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry about the ads. I don't know why they're running that. That's just stupid. Hey, come see us. Hello, Peak. We've lost the majority of the chat now. So,
I have it here.
you have it there? Okay.
Yeah, I can scroll back in the chat because I didn't catch it.
Stream is lagging. Stream went out. Hello.
Gifted a Windows 10 Pro license. That's nice.
Nice.
Stream went out. Hello, hello. Okay, went out for me too.
Did
RIP is out. Did the dog chew the cable? Or maybe it was owl.
What,
it was
what?
water arrow. Or was it the ash arrow?
Was it the ash arrow?
I once took an ash arrow to the knee. I used to be an adventure, was it?
We don't actually know what happened.
I don't know,
yeah. For some reason, Streamlabs was acting up and was recording endlessly for no reason.
Like, Dogcam's
not working. Oh my gosh. Dogcam is not working.
I know how to fix it.
Dogcam is not working.
That's...
It's an emergency. That's why Morris decided to go back. No, he decided to leave Dogcam. Did it work? Did it work?
There we go. Let me just configure video. It's still very empty Dogcam though, unfortunately.
No, yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
The chat is white. Chat has a white background.
It's always been like that, hasn't it?
Yeah, it kind of has.
Yeah. I think it's normal.
I think it's normal, yeah. But it's not kind of white. It's like semi-bluish, tinty, whitey thing.
It's readable.
Yeah. But what did happen when the stream crapped out was that actually the ST did work, and we did get a pause menu, but no one saw.
I guess you can pause during that even. Maybe we should.
We should probably save that.
I made it slightly transparent.
Oh shoot! Like man.
Yeah, we haven't paused the gameplay. We just showed the UI. Yeah, so it is working.
My doctor said I am normal too, but then 10 years later, here I am.
Yeah.
You're normal. You're normal. Did we lose everybody because of the stream being a poo?
Well, I think we climbed back up again.
I think we climbed back up again.
I don't remember how many viewers we were at, but we're fine now. And I'm happy that Olin is here.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm very happy.
And Peak. Very cool.
Where's everybody else? Come
anyway,
back.
how are you doing today, Peak? So,
Yes,
hope you're having a nice morning, or is it evening for you?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jay is here. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank
Jay
you
is
for
back.
still being here.
Awesome.
Oh,
I ate everyone when you weren't watching. We're here. Just doze off a bit, yeah.
Yeah, sometimes it
You
takes
having
a
a
long time.
lazy Saturday morning, Z?
So we need to stop the gameplay.
Yeah.
We haven't done that yet, have we?
Yeah.
Have we?
No.
Okay, I thought we hadn't.
Mm-hmm.
So we show the pause menu, we need to pause everything else.
Okay. I guess you never implemented a pause before.
No, I haven't.
All right.
How did you do it then?
So there's a couple of things. First of all, we want this function to be able to tell publicly that I am paused, so other scripts can pull in like, is the game paused?
Yeah, so I need to make it public.
No. Like we need to make a public boost.
Yeah, I know. We need to make a public bully bull.
No, do it in the top. Like
I can do it in the top. Really?
In the state above
Really?
the references.
The references.
Above the references.
Above the references, because it's going to be a state.
Yeah. Are you sleepy?
No, the coffee is broken. Yeah, the tea is broken here as well.
Yeah.
Everything's good. It's still 1 a.m. here. What time zone are you all on? We're on, what's it called again?
Central European time.
Yeah, I can't do the abbreviation.
That one.
I'm on German time, the center of the world.
That is center of the world. I totally agree. But yeah, 1 a.m. So it's in US time zone now, I'm guessing.
Don't fall asleep.
But yeah, still, it just turned Saturday for you.
We're gonna make a bully bull.
Yes.
And we're gonna call it
Is paused.
Is paused.
And by default,
it's going to be false.
And make it public.
We're gonna make it public. There you go.
We could also make it read only and that type of stuff. I don't know, but let's just go with public. Can't be that bad.
So we can do it down here that way. We say that on here that the is gonna be true. But then we need to say to everything else that it needs to be true, and it needs to polish stuff.
Not necessarily. Yeah, the other point I was going to say is that you can actually control a time flow.
Okay.
So you can set time scale to 0, and when you set time scale to 0, time stops in the game.
Ooh, can we
Right?
do that?
Yeah. And also, but it doesn't obviously stop all our scripts and stuff.
Yeah, okay.
But it stops physics.
Hmm.
So if he's midair flying down, then he would actually stop because time is no longer moving.
Makes sense. And would any of the scripts be running at that time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because if you then press like, jump and it add force and stuff, force will be added, but its time is not moving, so it's going to be explosive once it resumes time.
Okay, yeah.
So we need to make sure that doesn't happen.
I do kind of like the conversations going on right now.
What is happening?
Oh, nice. Guten hello. Komen nasai, bratwurst. Nani? Oh, you komen nasai. Alligator. Arigato. Claire just wants to read the chat. Yes.
Nani? I feel like we're in the middle of an anime.
We are in the middle of an anime.
Yeah.
It's the Snuti anime.
Right.
Yeah.
Should we set it to false in the hide menu?
Probably
Hide.
should, yeah.
Yeah.
To first do.
Yeah. Then we can make an if statement in our update to show and hide it, like we were planning to.
Show and hide what?
If it's paused, hide. Inside the cancel.
Inside the cancel. Oh, inside the cancel. There you go.
Yeah, because they would just show it, but if it's showing them,
if it's cancel paused,
mm-hmm.
then I'm going to press the right buttons. Yes, I did.
Squirrely brackets success.
Chris prevents Claire from reacting to my jokes. Yes, pretty much.
What?
Pretty much.
Sorry. It's this when I'm supposed to say "Come outside"
Yeah, you're supposed to say "Come outside."
with a Norwegian accent.
Yes, with a Norwegian accent.
Yeah.
Ah, you're so cute when you say Japanese with a Norwegian accent. Chris has still never lost his Norwegian accent-ish when
Or
he was
I think it
living in
returned.
Britain. No, when you were in Britain, my dad was like, yeah, you can hear your Norwegian.
Yeah, I guess so.
So, yeah.
Some people thought I was Scottish and stuff.
Yes, Krista got told that he was Scottish once, and I was like, no.
Not just once. It happened quite a few times.
This is not Scottish.
Guess I had a funnier accent back then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if it's paused, then we're going to do time stuff.
No.
Aw.
I'm talking about if it's paused, we're going to hide the pause menu. If it's unpaused, then we to show the pause menu.
If it is paused, oh, you want me to put this in here?
Right, now we're on the same line of thought, right?
Need to hear the Scottish.
Right. I'm disappointed to say or share with you the fact that those accents are kind of gone. That's like 7 years ago.
I'm good at my Welsh accent.
Right.
And that's the best I can do. Sorry. Yeah, if it's paused, it's gonna show. Yeah, and then else is gonna and it's. Oh, I did it again. See, this is what happens when I get distracted. I'm going to hide pause menu. Yeah.
Does anybody notice what's gonna happen here?
It doesn't work like that, does it?
It does work like that, except you're mixing them up.
Oh, I'm supposed to do the other way around.
Yeah.
Ah.
Think about it. It's like,
I know.
or are you just only laughing?
This is what happens when we have to.
There we go. Now we have a chance at making this work.
Do we?
Maybe. But yeah, we can do the timescale thing now.
Yay! Finally, we do it here.
No, do it in the show and hide. Why not? Right.
I'm just backspacing. So what is it? It's called time span?
I think it's time dot and then timescale. Just write scale.
Time scale.
Yeah.
And I don't know what I'm going to be doing. What am I
It's a
supposed to do?
float, so you can give it the value 0.
I'm giving it value 0.
Right.
Come on.
No chance.
No chance.
Timescale could break everything, at least in Unreal Engine 4 it does. Alright. I thought that was how you
Hopefully in
make
Unity it survives.
awesome slow motion effects. But it affects the update system itself.
Ah.
Because I guess I don't think it actually does in Unity. I think it only affects delta time. And as long as you're on your physics.
Should we check it out?
And that means UI, okay. Yeah, so you done it here.
Yeah, I've done it here.
Alright, you can try.
Maybe we should just try and see if it just
Did you
crashes
save?
and burn. Huh?
Did you save?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. I did.
Good.
I'm just gonna.
You know what we can do? Yeah, it even paused animations. Awesome.
And then
Success. What do you do?
I don't know. I pressed the resume button and it took it back.
Yeah, this is because our scripts are still running. Like I was talking about, right? It's still taking up the different outputs.
Yeah.
Even if timescale was 0.
Okay.
Yeah. So now we need to go into every other script pretty much and ask, are we paused, and then stop reacting to stuff.
Oh my god, what? Every single script?
I don't know. Do you guys have any other better idea? I think that's
Use
how...
unscaled delta time.
Oh. No. I think Fryer is suggesting that to Eileen, not to us.
Are you saying it to us, Fryer? We're gonna
Uh,
give it a second so that you can tell us.
yeah, it's in separate in Unity, I think. Yeah.
In your Unreal Engine 4, we also have separate streams. You can set all the games. Maybe Unity can do that too.
I guess so, that you have the unscaled and the scaled one, and obviously we're mostly using the scale one, which is why everything pauses.
We're waiting in anticipation. This is the anticipation phase.
I really liked Fryer's update on the official updates yesterday, since we're, just hanging out and waiting. Let's just go back here.
The noodle cat.
Let's just...
UI uses unscaled, yes, but I think you can use it too.
I hope you don't mind, Fryer, but I just thought this was so cool when you had that cat and he left his tail behind. And he...
I love when there's those types of bugs.
He accidentally had a lizard moment. There's a lot to love about that. Anyway, back on subject.
What, the tail? I don't need that. Or should we try the delta scale one then?
Huh? I think we did everything correctly.
Okay, we're just gonna do it on everything.
But what do you think?
No, Fryer said UI uses unscaled, yes, but I think you can use it too.
Yeah, but it's not a problem for us.
Okay, it's not a problem. Okay. So we need to put it everywhere else.
No, what we need to do is we need to ask if pause menu script is paused, and then if it is, then stop reacting. So for example, in the blueberry movement, no, that's not an irrelevant one. In the player movement and in the conversations, maybe we should do the dialogue and conversation.
Yeah, dialogue and conversation, yeah.
Yeah. So you have on the update loop there.
Where is that? Late update?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We do like interact and stuff like that. But we need to have return statement on top there, like if paused.
If is paused.
Yeah.
Return.
Exactly. Except is paused is obviously not reachable.
No, because you need to put it up above here.
Yeah. Is there a better way to do that without having to fetch the reference every frame? And without putting... I guess we gotta just make a reference.
Do I put a reference here?
Yeah. Let's copy that everywhere.
Is paused is equal to get component.
No, find object by type or something.
Find object.
Yeah, by type.
Not by type, of type.
Yeah, of type.
Of type.
And then it's pause menu.
Pause menu.
Just check the timescale instead of is pause. Well, that is actually a good idea. So if the timescale is equal to 0, but it's a float though. It's a float check. Maybe not that great. I mean, if it was an integer, that'd be cool. You need to call it.
I know. Just wondering whether I'm missing anything else. Did I get it? It's still not happy.
Okay, if it's 0, it's fine. We should do what they're suggesting. No floating point errors. Okay, because I heard that in some scenarios you're supposed to check against what is it called again? Math F. It's called E something. I don't remember the name.
So I can just put if time.timescale is equal to time. Is it? Did we go? No.
Float check works if you set it as exactly 0. Okay.
Is equal to, is it 0 or 1?
It's 0.
0. Is it double equals? I'm getting confused now because I was doing like TypeScript yesterday.
It's just double equals and then put an F.
And I put an F. Okay, there you go. And then I can remove this part.
Yeah, okay, that'll be great.
Okay. So now I just need to copy this around everywhere.
Yeah.
Otherwise you can do it with math.abs timescale is less than float epsilon.
Yeah, epsilon was the word I was looking for, which left my mind. Yeah, because I thought we had to do that one, but if you say there's no floating point errors when you assign exactly 0, then that should be fine.
Right, okay. What scripts do I need to put it on, guys? I think I need to go into our
intro
scripts folder.
intro cutscene.
Right, let's have a look here. Scripts. We don't need the Christmas guys. Conversation, I think I just did.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, and I did dialogue.
The cutscene intro.
Oh, I didn't see it. I'm blind as a bat. There you go. There you go on
Update.
Update. That.
Mm-hmm.
Dialogue I did. Easter egg, blue party is not necessary. Float in probably is necessary.
I don't think, or maybe.
Maybe, I think so, because otherwise you might be floating
Let's see. It has on trigger enter, fixed update. Does the fixed update run when timescale is 0? That's the question.
That is a good question.
I don't, or maybe it does, bro.
I'm not sure.
I'll
I'm gonna
Google
fix
this.
Doggo Cam.
Yeah, you should fix Doggo Cam. This is atrocious.
Hello.
Just try, Cecilian.
We're gonna meet you elsewhere. Yeah, they meet me.
I think that's the point. It runs independent of delta time. Right. So timescale. Yeah, so we would need to pause this one as well then. Like that. Or nobody obviously saw that, but.
Words? He's not gonna comment until I get him to.
Oh, we're getting doggo treats, are we? We're getting doggo treats, are we? It says here on the Unity forum back from 2011, so very trustworthy source. Actually, let's head over to laptop for a second. If timescale is set to 0, fixed update will not be called. But is that still valid after that was 2011?
Words? Gilla. Words? Gilla. Winky. Så bra. Yeah, Winky. Sit.
That's a very eager dog you got there.
Sit.
Probably valid. It makes sense that way. I think also it makes a bit of sense. Do they understand German? Yeah, Morris is from Germany. So actually, when he's been around German people, he gets very excited because he recognizes the accents from his first 5 years of his life lived in Ulm.
Germany.
So
So we often call him Morris Line. Yeah, I know, he's got it in his teeth and he's like, I don't know what to do with it. Oh, there you go. No, now he's awake. Now he's awake.
yeah.
I understand German, but I'm an owl and I eat you. Don't eat me, please. Please don't eat me.
I'll
give you cake
his
and pizza.
old nickname was Moritz Line.
Morris Line. And his actual real name is Nick Moritz von Gaugelam.
Yeah.
Which is probably pronounced atrociously because nobody knows how to pronounce his name.
Well.
Donny was at least called Donny von Fischenbach.
And he's out.
Moritz, this second. You're allowed to have the treat.
That's a good doggy. Listens to Mamini.
Yes. But Morris understands Norwegian, German, and English.
Alright. It's an impressive dog.
And Winky only understands Norwegian and somewhat English.
Sorry, I'm trying to fix camera. Alright. Is that better?
Yeah, I think so.
There we go.
Fixed update functions will not be called when timescale is set to 0 from the docs, apparently.
Perfect. So we don't need that line I just pasted in on line 56 there.
Audine says, I'm a grumpy grammar owl. If you misspell German, I eat you.
Even for foreigners, you gotta cut us some slack. I thought the French does that, but I didn't know German was that harsh.
The French aren't that bad.
Well, they are not that forgiving towards foreigners speaking bad French.
Oh. I speak bad French. Moritz. Dang it. He's allowed to eat.
I am forgiving. Okay, that's good.
Yay!
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
What was cool, Jay?
I guess the timescale,
I think so.
especially to Americans, and that's where she's forgiving. I guess. I have no clue what's going on. Anyway.
He's talking about. Is it because we're talking about French? I don't know.
Maybe.
Maybe, yeah. Oh, I'm half French, so you know. Yeah.
Oui, oui.
I learned French.
Je parle un petit peu français.
Chris is actually good at French. Considering he only did like
1 month of trying to practice it.
Trying to practice it.
I never had it in school or anything.
None of my family speaks English, so he did actually really, really well.
Yeah. You guys are such polyglots. Polyglots? I don't know what that is.
Am I Polygon? We were talking about Tomb Raider this morning, talking about polygons.
I'm not forgiving with tourists who break things. Well, I can understand that.
But if they give you cake, do you forgive them then?
Like a
Like
400,000-year-old rock formation. I'm not sure. I guess this is some touchy subject.
Multilingual.
Yes. Well.
Oh, J it means someone who knows a bunch of languages.
Oh, right.
Knows about 20 plus languages and fluent in all. Well, I only know three languages. Well, partial Welsh, but not
this shows
well.
our language knowledge. We don't know what the polyglots is.
Yeah, we're that good in English. Yeah. I'm really bad in English.
Right.
I blame the fact that I was brought up with 2 languages, so that's I guess. And living in Wales where everything was in Welsh and English. I had to learn it. I know Outly knows a bit of Russian, French fry, and Spanish, but I only speak German and English. Though I swear in vodka. Swearing in vodka?
I didn't know that was a language.
That sounds pricey.
Yeah.
What programming language are you guys familiar with?
Yeah, that's a lot.
That's a lot. Chris, more than me.
Well, we can try to run through the list. Python I've wrote for a long time. Mel, Maya embedded language. That
Do you even know that anymore?
ActionScript 2. Well,
oh my gosh, ActionScript 2.
Never got on with ActionScript 2, 3 for Flash.
I hate ActionScript. We just don't talk about ActionScript. It's a taboo programming language here.
C++,
C Sharp.
C Sharp now. But I'm not that great at any of them. Well, you get into them quite easily.
What's for each with index extension?
That's actually something Nick Custer was helping me with, where you can, and it says there in the ref there, Nick Custer's.
What is this?
He wrote this function and sent it to me on Discord. I was like, this is how you can loop through in a JavaScript style with a for each.
Oh, okay. That's why I was like, I have no idea what.
And we
this
were
is.
using it, but in our pip system, where we were spawning lots of little mini pips.
Ah. So. Do we need the level loader to have the thingy-majiggy? I said thingy.
Oh, we need to get a thingy jar. Yeah.
We don't have an update here, I don't think. Do we actually? No, we don't have an update. We don't need it then.
Right, the chat was moving a bit too fast for me here.
Okay. I also speak another language when I drink vodka, which nobody seems to understand.
Yeah, that's...
What language is that?
That must be the vodka language, Claire.
Is it vodka Norwegian? Evelyn likes coding websites. I like coding websites too.
Yeah, we really enjoy that.
I really enjoy that. Z, except other people that drink vodka.
Well, they also understand the vodka language.
They do.
I started with C Lite and C Legacy. That's 20 years old. C Sharp feels like playing with Lego compared to C. Yes, exactly. And that's why I love C++. No, C Sharp, I mean. Because it is like playing with Lego. Compared to like C++ or C, where you gotta do memory management yourself.
Do you want me to put it in the light flicker as well?
That is not the script which is even used.
Oh, okay. Wowzers.
Yeah.
Okay. Main menu, we probably don't want it there.
No.
Next level?
I don't think so. No.
I don't think so.
Oh.
Maybe? No, we don't have an update. So
no.
On start? No.
Did you remove it from the line I had earlier?
I did. From the floating, I removed it.
Yeah. Okay.
Pause menu, pip follower.
Oh, that one will probably have it.
That is an update. Yoo-hoo!
Yeah, there we go.
Player interact.
Yeah.
It's slow at opening it, but yes, it probably does have it. We have an update.
Yep.
Copy pasting code. Player move.
Yeah, that one need it.
That we need it. Oh, come on, Unity. Seriously. Oh, this is an absolute mess of a thing. There you go.
You have a for each on an iList. Yes, that was an experiment. We're not using it anymore though. For each will need update. No. You know there's a Doge script programming language. Well, I'm not surprised.
Not surprised.
Hello, says Catalyst Creations.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing today, Catalyst?
We don't have an update function here.
It's a Doge-friendly language that you should learn and put it on your resume. But is it like Dogecoin, like the cryptocurrency, or is it more like Doge as in dog? Yeah, DogScript.
DogScript.
Yeah,
dog. Dog is it's dog. It's definitely dog.
Yeah.
We don't have an update here. I think it's fine. Player pickup. Player opt-in. That definitely need it. Hello, update. Welcome to the copy paste stream. Save game?
It's Doge MAME, one that's JavaScript. I have no idea.
Doge, dog, air.
It's a lot of dog in the chat. Class.
There's a lot of dog in the chat.
Might be related to this. What?
Warriors is really look at that, like, you know, dexterity. I mean, oh,
We need owl script.
we need owl script.
Yeah.
Yes.
We were talking back in the days that we should make can script because, you know, if you write pug, have you ever tried writing pug? It's a great. I love pug. Claire hates pug.
I hope
It's, you know, HTML templating language, and
there is a hoot script,
there's a script.
but does it have owls?
Well, obviously, when you call the different functions, they call, you know, you hoot at each other.
I kind of put it in the save game. I don't think I need it in save game.
Yeah, you do.
I do.
Oh, wait a second. We need to delete that function.
Oh shoot! Yeah.
That's supposed to be gone.
Let's delete it.
Are we enabling Yoda or something?
Yes. Should I just delete this entirely then?
Yeah. So, I wish more libraries would be ported to Rust. I learned Rust recently, and it's a nice language, but there are so many bad and incomplete libraries. Yeah, I
Okay,
heard
yeah.
so many mixed things about Rust. Like, people like, I love the language, but it's like the community or like it's not there yet. And I guess things are a bit like that sometimes. Like, it's beneficial to be where there's most people who use it, even if it's not the best one.
Yeah. I put it in the water can.
Yeah, that's nice.
It works in late update, right? It wasn't a fixed update.
Yeah, it works in late update.
Okay. Rust is not going to replace everything, and it's not the future. It's going to take at least 30 years for us to advance like that. To become
I
rusty?
think that's no, Rust is a language.
Nah, I thought it would become rusty.
Yeah, I think you're kind of right there. Like, the future isn't here just yet.
In the future, there will be robots.
Rusty robots. Yeah, Rust isn't very beginner friendly either, I think.
Oh.
And that makes it very hard for adoption then.
Okay, we're gonna jump. Come on, jump. Ask Yahoo.
All right, that seems to pause nicely.
And I can. The resume button doesn't work. It just does this.
Huh.
But if I press ask again, it works.
Why is that?
I don't know. None of the buttons work.
We don't pause the update script in the pause menu.
I don't think so. Let's check. Do we do that? Do we in the pause menu? I don't think I did it in there. Oh, there's a lot of menus.
Oh, I just realized, Claire, we need
Yeah.
to release the cursor.
Oh.
So in player move, don't close that one up.
Oh, I didn't mean
Top
to do
left.
it. Didn't mean to do
No,
it.
it's fine. There's something here which is like cursor lock state.
Yes.
Copy that line,
Okay.
and we need to switch it depending on if the game is paused or not.
So if I go back into the player pause menu.
Yeah. So when we do start pausing after the timescale there, on line 58.
There you go.
So that shows so locked will be unlocked or something.
Yeah. Is there one called unlocked?
Press dot and find out.
Locked, confined, or none?
None.
None. There you go.
And then paste this same line down, or not that line, but the one we had previously. Doesn't matter.
Well,
We'll get there.
I guess I don't need to reference it or anything because it's the cursor.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Rust the game is the future. People think they are cool because they use Rust. I'm cool.
That's what I said. You still do UI update too.
Did Arlene notice that? Go back. No, we don't. Not in the pause menu. The update function here is not paused. Well, I'm looking at here. Like,
Yeah.
we didn't put it there. The
No.
timescale thing. So it
No.
should get the button down cancel thing.
You need to have some more doggo cam in our lives. Hello.
Or maybe Evelyn is not talking about fact the function, but that actually the UI scale pauses. No, it works.
Game saved.
Yeah, I don't think it relies upon delta time.
The main menu game is press. It didn't do shoot.
It console logged.
It console logged shoot. No. Okay, so now we need to do something which makes us go back to the main menu. Which
Yeah.
means we need to go to the original scene.
we need to use the next
Seems
level
like it.
script. Oh no, the level loader script, don't we?
Don't we? Yes, I need to find it now. What's with all these scripts being open? Okay, let me just. Claire, you know you can close them.
I have an idea. In next level here.
Yeah.
If there we have
Level index.
just we need line 14 and line 18.
Line 14 and line 18.
Yes.
I hope I didn't delete the other one. No, I didn't.
And just copy both those lines into our little main menu button.
A little main menu button. Little main menu button. The main menu.
Think it
Main
as
menu? No, pause menu.
Yeah,
There you
sorry. And then also we would want to resume this timescale or something, or maybe not. I don't know. Thank you for following, Max.
Thank you for the follow.
Hope you're enjoying yourself.
Oh, what on earth is happening here?
Yeah, but we looked away for a little while.
My project was 200 MB. Just now it's 5 gig. What happened to my game? Cache.
Yeah, try to delete the library folder
Yeah, that's what we did.
and let it rebuild. Well, obviously that's speaking in Unity.
HD arrow textures. I'm gonna find out why they're so big. Mine is 25 gig with a bunch of unused assets. I think you might need to clean up your assets. There's a folder called 8K that is 1 gig big. Yeah, but that's only that's 1 gig out of 5 gig. I got confused with the 25 gig, and I'm like, gigs. You're.
I don't know what that means.
NRRF. No. You need to wipe your
assets. I like all the puns this morning. It's good.
Evelyn has infected everybody with like this, joke mentality. Yes, we need to get a level index.
Well, 0.
We can just say 0.
And the load strategy should not be restore pips, or maybe it can be.
Well, I think it.
Oh, we haven't. It should be none. Is there a none option?
Oi.
Yeah.
There is a none option, guys.
We made an enum of how we're gonna load things.
Yeah. What was the other options? Actually, I'm gonna delete that. Restore pip and save. Okay, we'll just say none.
Yeah. I think that.
But we said we need to do something with the timescale.
Yeah, because think about it. We have the game paused.
Yeah. So
and if you return to the main menu.
We wanted to have it to 0 or
Ooh,
1.
Claire.
Yeah.
I just came to think about. We never unload the main menu.
Yeah, so we can just go there.
So we need to just unload the current scene and activate the main menu. Yeah.
How do we unload that current scene then?
I guess.
What if it's but don't we have other scenes which are also loaded?
Yeah, we need to basically figure out that and unload that. This is gonna break.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. So how do we unload it then?
I think if we look into.
I think it's in our next level one. In our next level, I'm pretty sure we have an unloader. Don't we? Was it there? No.
No, if you go to level loader script.
Is it wrong script?
Because we really got a name in our scripts, they all kind of get confusing and the same. It's good the game is small. Right. And not too complex.
Loader show, whatever I'm looking for.
We're talking about 5 gigabytes of toilet paper here.
5 gigabytes of toilet paper?
Because
that's some premium toilet paper.
Wipe your asset. Wipe my butt with my project. Oh shoot, I just made Unreal Engine 4 load 28 8K textures.
Oh.
Bad idea, you'll need 1 gigabyte of poop stain assets.
Who the hell needs 8K textures? We don't have a bit solver that large for compression.
Yeah, I guess you.
Now the window doesn't open anymore. Rebuild your library.
That sounds like it's gonna take a sweet time.
We had to do it the other day and it took a sweet time.
Yeah.
I was trying to figure it out. It's where's the unload? Isn't there an unload?
Yeah, so
unload. There you go. Here you go.
Mm-hmm.
But we got last index. We can find out the current scene.
What we could do. I'm just thinking, because we have this thing called load strategy here. So this is our thing that loads between scene. Either it's like loading from a save game or loading to the next level.
Yeah.
We can have a load strategy which is called unload.
Okay.
And on the unload, it stops kind of running after this, because this unloads the scene apart from the main menu. Also wondering, like on the main menu, we have the script there. What hides it up? We have a function here called hide main menu, where I save load my game, load scene 1, hide main menu. We just need to run the show main menu, and that should be a public.
Yes.
And delete those commented lines below.
Yeah, I don't know why that's there.
That's some
Whoops.
old code.
Cool.
Alright, so it's as simple as just activating the world.
That's all we need to do.
Yeah, but we also need to unload.
Call this.
Yeah, call that.
Where were we again? We're in pause menu.
No, in level loader.
We're in level loader.
Because I'm wondering.
I got really confused where Chris was going now.
I was going with the fact that we can make something here called unload.
Okay. And then in unload.
We just make like that, yeah. If you scroll down, we can do like if the loading strategy is called unload, then at line 46 we can just like return and stop the execution of the rest of the function.
So if load strategy, isn't it that?
Yeah, I think it's lowercase.
No, it's uppercase. Uppercase.
Well, it's written like this.
Oh man. Okay. It's lowercase. Is equal to the what was it called? Unload?
No. Load strategy dot unload.
Oh shoot. Yeah, okay. That did actually work.
That did work.
Then return.
Yeah.
But does it need to be up above here, or is it fine to be here?
I think it's fine
unhappy. It's unhappy.
Return cannot.
Return a value from an iterator. Use the yield return statement.
What about doing return null?
Return null.
Yeah. One that stopped the execution. Oh, it's an enumerator.
Yeah, that's the problem. Yield return null. Can I just use yield?
How do you...
Ah, it worked.
Will that stop the execution of an enumerator? This is where my knowledge of C# fall flat.
This is why we have yes.
Okay.
Yield return break.
C
you
is,
can also have yield return break as well.
Yeah, okay.
So both of them work.
Whichever.
Nibblers.
Because I'm really used to async operations like in JavaScript. It's quite different from how C# do them.
We don't have load strategy none anymore. We want unload, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Like that?
And then we want to activate the main menu. Don't we have a reference to main menu?
Yes, we did have it. I had it a second ago, and I think it's...
Yeah?
I think it's that one.
But we need to run it on the main menu.
On the main menu.
Which means you need to find object of type main menu. Like we do.
Yeah, I know, I'm just trying to... No, I don't know why I did that. There you go. I like that. Then I need to put it up here.
Wait a second. Do we have main menu here?
No,
we don't.
No, we don't.
So if you scroll down, we can just do this the hacky way.
Oh, you just want me to put it in here?
Copy line 79 and just switch loader out with like main menu. Yeah, that'll do the trick.
Oh.
It's like fine for functions that just run once.
No, it's not. Find object of type.
Well, it can't be called loader, can it?
Oh no!
No, just call it main menu. And then on the line below, you do main menu dot show main menu.
I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Chris is getting impatient.
Come on outside.
Why is it upset now? Does not exist in the current context.
Oh, you need to just do var in front of it on line there.
Why need to put it on var?
Well, because it's of type main menu.
Oh.
The other one was like a global reference.
Yeah, okay.
I don't know why. Wait a second. Can I just take a look? Why are we finding the object of type if this is a... Yeah,
Why are we referring it again here when we already have it?
Exactly. Either we can delete this and this, or we can delete that line. What do you prefer?
Is loader being used more areas or just there? Kind of find it's cleaner to have it up here. So
then you can move the old one up there as well.
The other one?
Yeah, so delete line 79 and do the same with the old one maybe. Just so we
this one?
Are a bit consistent. A little bit consistent.
Move it up above?
Yeah. Oh, alright. Catalyst says that the null won't stop it, so we need to go and fix that error. But we can do that. Okay, do it now. Do it now. Thank you, chat, for like helping us out.
Thank you for helping us out.
I accidentally closed this, and now the chat is gone. I'm sorry, Evelyn, that you lost the chat.
No.
Yeah, true.
But we do have a little bit of the log in the.
Yeah, in the chat.
The chat. Up there.
Need more coffee. I need more tea.
Yeah.
Imagine 60GB game, but only has content for 1 hour, but then 100MB game, and 10 years later you still play it. This is the AAA in a nutshell.
Oh no, it didn't want to have break.
Oh, that's incredible. Yield. Maybe remove return. Is this yield break?
Is it yield break? I don't know. What did it?
I'm guessing.
Yield return break.
Well, I tried to delete return. Right?
Is that it?
I think that would be it.
Sorry, I think it says yield break, not return. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Right. My guess was on point.
Compiler errors. Name. What are you complaining about now?
We haven't made references.
It's up here.
No. Oh, you just made a var. You need to make it.
I need to make the reference appear. Oh. Is it main menu?
Yeah. Thank you, Catalyst, for helping us out.
There you go. I think now I got it to work. Yes, now you're happy. Can I remove that var now, or do I need to have a var?
No, you're not supposed to have it. Perfect.
There you go.
Nailed it. You know else who's happy? That Karen is happy.
That Karen is very happy. Oh my god. Num. So our other Karen Terra that we used to have, she would just eat one of these tune sticks in like 2 minutes, and Moritz takes a lot more care and attention and enjoys it.
Fryer, he redeemed the highlighted message with a strawberry.
Oh,
that is cute. Is that the new the chat thingies they have in Twitch?
Rewarding thingies?
Yeah, I don't know what they're called. Oh, yeah, I like this. I'm a happy flappy owl. Awesome. We have these chat points.
Yeah, not that.
What was wrong?
Click the main menu, and the pause menu is still there. Because we haven't disabled. We haven't. Because I think when we go to the main menu, we're not hiding the pause menu.
Yeah, run that one as well then.
Yeah, we'll do that.
But maybe hide it first?
Probably hide it first. Probably a good idea. And there was also something else I saw. You can
pause.
show the pause menu on the main menu, which is really strange.
Okay.
So we should probably have the hide pause menu or something? Or
no, in the update function, we can make sure that this script doesn't run.
The update up here.
Yeah, there. If we're on the main menu. But how do we know if we're on the main menu?
Not on main menu.
Fabulous. Let's make it a different if statement though.
I think so, yeah. I like my and. We can have it like wrapped around, isn't it?
No, I just do a return on top.
Oh yeah, okay, I guess so. Oh, I did everything wrong now. Oh no, I'm doing stuff. Okay, so if it's main menu, do we have any? Well, we do have actually this reference up here.
Yeah, okay. So you can write that main menu dot and just like explore what we have available.
Enabled. Compare to get component.
We can expose a public one on it, which tells us if it's not on or not. Let's look at the code, shall we?
Yes,
might help us more. Think I just broke my game? No!
How do you get your dogs to eat them so slow? My dogs blow through them like in 2 minutes. I don't know. Morris has always been a very refined little dog when he eats.
And our previous Can Terrier,
she just devoured it.
She took 5 minutes to finish it.
Like if I held it in my hand and like left like held 75% of it, then she'd eat it slowly.
Yeah.
But then I had to have my hand there, and I was like, no, I'm not doing that.
But I don't know, lucky.
And they're quite like thick ones as well, so they
take a while to get through.
Take a while to get through. Whereas Winky is just really bad at eating them in general.
They only feed them on Saturdays, so they're used to having to savor them. Well,
they do get sometimes during the week as well.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that! You eating it fine, anyway.
Quick Visual Studio tip: you can hold Alt and use up and down arrow keys. You can move the line where the I think I used to use that a lot in I don't know which editor that was in again.
Morris, did you? Oh shit! Did you eat it all?
Oh, talking about eating slowly, the dog just swallowed it. I think he's fine. He's all coffee.
Yeah, he's fine.
But yeah, there was quite a lot left. I think we jinxed it. Totally jinxed it.
Oh, that's gonna be a rough poop. I know it's gonna be a rough poop. He did a magic trick. Like, what the heck? Oh my god.
Oh, I love it.
I thought sometimes I wondered why he like ate the last half really fast. I think I know why now.
Yeah, there was a lot left to swallow. That much.
Woof. I saw it 1 second, it was gone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what happens. It's best to give him the big one so that, you can take it off him before he gets that far.
It was really big, I know.
Well, you finished now.
Yeah, you finished. You okay there, my face?
My dog does that. He's super impatient. Yeah. It was really big.
He's like, I want more treats.
Oh, hello, Burnouty.
Hello.
How you doing today? Cool to see you here.
Morris, were you camera shy? Is that what you ate? Everything? I didn't want anybody stealing my chewing stick. You are so weird.
Let me try to clip that actually. Yeah, that'd be awesome, lad. I'd love to have a clip. Sucks we don't have dog cam in big, but
Oh man.
you know.
Hello.
Yes. Hi guys. Right, we were trying to.
You sure he just hasn't thrown it somewhere in the bed rather than just devouring it? He's probably devoured it.
He's acting as if he's devoured it.
He devoured it.
Definitely.
That is a new record, Moritz.
Yep.
Yeah. Donnelly would be proud of you.
Yeah.
Donnelly.
Our last dog, that is.
Yeah, we got stuck on this main menu dot. This is
yeah.
what happens. Morris did on purpose.
If we go to the main menu script, do we have a state here? Which no. If we just make a state like is showing, or on main menu, bool, public bool.
This is gonna go down now with the water.
Yeah.
We're gonna say it's showing set to false and then move it.
Yeah.
We want afterwards. Let's go back to input.
Well, we're not setting it anywhere. Probably figure that out. So scroll down. On the main menu, when we hide main menu, right? We want to
is showing
is false.
False.
And then when we show the main menu, we set it to true.
Show main menu. Yeah.
Yeah, that'll do the trick.
I'm learning VB, Visual Basic.
I guess that's Visual Basic, yeah.
Any tips?
Any tips?
I haven't done Visual Basics.
I did Visual Basic.
First year of uni.
That is a long time ago. When I was maybe 12 years old or something.
I made a crappy Pokemon game in Visual Basic.
I just remember being the language I didn't understand anything about because, well, I was 12 years old and I didn't.
So as far as says, make something fun, best way to learn. Yep.
Yeah, that's a good suggestion. Learn something else. Yeah, well, Visual Basic is a good place, or not a terrible place to start, really, because I think when it comes to programming and coding, you just got to find something you enjoy and follow some tutorials, and they very easily translate between each other. So there's nothing wrong about going for Visual Basic or anything else.
It's what you find enjoyable as well. That's the most important.
Yeah.
Do not try Pascal.
But what's your motivation for picking Visual Basic in the first place, Burnouty?
I don't know why. Oh yeah, I was going to do the main menu.
Yeah, we didn't program it, did we?
I forgot that. Forgot that.
We were going to ask in the post menu, you have an unsaved thing?
Oh, shoot.
Right?
Yeah, sorry, I forgot that. It's showing.
Yeah. And then isn't it return there?
Return, yeah. Like that.
And maybe it works.
And also something I found a bit strange is the fact that the UI didn't show up.
Yeah, I noticed.
Something on your face here. There you go.
What?
It's been bothering me for the last 2 times I've looked at you and I
Really?
should probably move it out of the way. It's gone now. Done it.
That's good.
No worries. No worries. I enrolled for diploma and it's a class I have to pass.
All right.
Okay, yeah.
I understand. And then I think Visual Basic is a fun probably experience to learn that. But how to go about it? Just play around or find good tutorials online. There's usually quite a lot of resources on it. Yeah, the UI is not showing, is it? I personally like to learn from Udemy, but that's my personal preference. I keep plugging out every stream we have.
Yeah. Well, it's because that's how we learned.
Yeah.
Use StreamCam as a beauty mirror.
You like that. Hello, Basai.
Hello. Oh, yo.
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 Basai Deacon.
Yow.
Yow?
Yow.
We're not Icelandic, are we?
Yow.
So when we show the main menu, we're not showing the UI. Why is that?
Yeah, I think it's because of the fact that it's probably
that line is missing.
we haven't added that in when it says show main menu to true.
Yes. It's a lot of true, false, and stuff.
Morris, the fastest food eater ever. You need to click that there and see that.
Thank you for making the clip, Jay.
Thank you.
Let's have a look at this.
I need to see what happened here. Yeah, that was about half of it lap.
Here we come replay of the stream. Without sound, unfortunately. How long is this clip? It's not that long. Yeah, okay, it's going down.
It's good.
That's a big...
That's a big thing. That's about like half it left.
And if somebody just joined us now, we're trying to investigate our dog eating the chewing stick all in one gob, which Jay clipped for us. I think it's happening. Is that...
There you go.
Oh,
there you go.
He's losing control. He can't get it back out again. Is that... Yeah, that's what's happening. He can't get it back up again.
Oh, there you go. He managed to get it up. He did. And then he decided, screw this, I'm just gonna down it.
Yeah. And it's gone.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. Good doggy.
Wow.
Thanks for clipping that.
Thanks for clipping that. Yeah. About that more. I think he learned that he could actually just down it.
Yeah.
It was good. It wasn't worse.
How long have we been working on this project? We started it in September, but I don't know. We work on it here and there.
Actually, Catalyst Creation said Udemy is very hit or miss. Some good stuff out there, but there's some also really bad things.
Yeah, absolutely.
We often search on Reddit to check what other people say.
Make sure the reviews on Udemy, and also like do courses that has a lot of reviews. Not just like 10 reviews or something, but like preferably hundreds of reviews.
But also, like, if you just, as I said, like search on Reddit, a lot of people will say like, "Oh, these are the best courses for that, that coding language." So that's really helpful.
And after a while, like we have our favorite tutors.
Yeah.
Maximilian and Game Dev TV. We like those guys.
Yeah.
So.
Maximilian's basically for like
web development.
Yeah, we like him. I spelled Marius wrong. That's no worries.
The audio is pretty funny too. Well, I have to listen to the audio in the replay next time. Sorry I didn't have that playing through here now.
Maybe use VB with Selenium and automate some website you like to use, like order pizza or something. Ooh.
Alright.
I think the drawers got tired and said, well, ain't no one getting it. Mm-hmm. I'm stupid and didn't make a backup.
I'm sad to hear that, Evelyn. I hope your project is recovering.
Yes, please say it's okay. What you should be using Git.
I don't get the pricing on Udemy. Half the time it's 90% discount. Well, that is their pricing, isn't it? Like between 90 to 95% discount, so you know you're going to get it on discount.
But sometimes I'm like, I would have actually paid, like
the full
200 quid for this. It was actually
Some of the courses are so good that absolutely.
I renamed it. Thank you, Jay.
Cheers.
If you pay full, you're doing it wrong.
Well, that's true.
Yeah.
We haven't done that yet.
No.
We have quite a few courses there.
We do, actually. But also, as well, there was a Humble Bundle, which had lots of Udemy game dev courses, which were like, I don't know, 15 euros or something, like a while back. So you might end up getting that.
Yeah, that's true. Humble Bundle selling Udemy courses is really neat.
They sell quite a lot of different courses.
They did game dev courses, which was great.
No, but they also do like a lot of software as well, like for photo editing. I'm like, wow. I like Pluralsight, but there's a lot of esoteric stuff on Udemy.
Yeah, I guess the fact that the quality is quite mixed.
Yeah, a lot of everything.
Yeah. So I wouldn't just recommend it wholly as a platform, but you do find some gems in there.
Or Game Dev TV is good.
Yeah.
If you're doing Game Dev. If you're doing Web Dev, Maximilian.
Right, I think this is working. I just don't like what that pause menu looks like.
The cursor's locked.
Oh, did we forget to unlock it?
On the main menu, yes.
Oh, you know what? Why?
Why?
Take a look at it. So, in the pause menu... You okay, Leclerc?
Yeah, I'm just watching Winky. She can't try.
When we press the main menu button, we hide the pause menu, and isn't it here?
Oh, we have it up there. Hide there.
Yeah. Then we lock the cursor, but we just... Yeah. Oh yeah, this happens beforehand. It goes in the order of first hiding it, then it shows the main menu. So on the main menu, then we can unlock it again.
Okay.
So that'll do the trick.
Yay!
Get in there. So when is the first alpha? Well, the first alpha was supposed to be out 2 months ago, but we missed...
No, 2 weeks ago.
We missed that milestone.
Yeah.
Okay, restart your PC, Evelyn. I hope to see you back again.
Yes, we hope to see you. Come back soon. Please, Evelyn, come back soon.
Holy moly, with all these Bool's state machine might have been better. You are probably right.
Yeah.
I don't like how we've done this, but that's the thing.
We'll refactor it later. That's what normally happens.
Glad to hear you back, Evelyn.
No cameras rendering.
Fabulous. What have we done wrong now? Scene to
What scene to unload is invalid?
Invalid.
Okay, what's going on? What?
Maybe stop playing?
Yeah, I probably should stop playing. Stop playing. There you go.
Right, you can close the console. We have double consoles now.
Why do I have double consoles? That's a new thing.
But
So
look
I'm not happy with this one.
But why? What was the last index then?
Oh,
I have an idea.
Oh, okay.
Right, so last index is a value we set here.
Oh.
That doesn't happen when we unload at this point.
Oops.
So if we, oops, I did the same
This
mistake.
is the same thing.
Yeah, okay. Try this again. So I'm not at the keyboard. Like stretching on the side is really hard to hit the keys.
That's what he says. Welcome back, Aline.
That's we almost have the menu working. We can do it quick and dirty.
We love the fact that in Unity there is a is dirty variable command, whatever. I'm like,
on the scene manager, yeah.
It's like, it's dirty. Hello.
Yeah, I'm sorry, our code is a hot mess.
Yeah, it is actually dirty.
But next game we're gonna use like a UI system. Yeah, that's a nice loading screen.
That's a nice loading screen.
That's one good.
That's a good main menu. Let's try it again. It's loading as berries.
It works.
But what I want to do is just, come on, Pips, come on. Yeah, there you go. What a good boy. Yeah.
This line are rolling around.
I'm just gonna try and save here and see whether we'll load next to this little beach ball. Game saved.
All right, that works. That's great.
Main menu. Let's continue. Nope, it did not save.
Huh.
Let us see what's happening here.
Maybe because if you look at the save button, it's actually not programmed. So save.
Oh my god, Krister! Krister! This is why I don't let Krister do the coding, because he does these types of new mistakes.
This is not a mistake. This is just,
No, you just haven't finished it. It's incomplete. You should have left a to-do comment. It's like this. To do, need to make this freaking save like. But no, you didn't do that. Welcome to the life of pair programming. There you go. Now it's done. This is why I'm quizzing if you can debug.
She's not wrong. Yeah.
I wonder if anyone ever does to don't comments.
That's a good point, to don't.
Fine, I do it myself, aka Claire.
Yeah.
So we need to call the save function. Because Krister, we ended up deleting some stuff.
Did I save my game?
Save my game. Oh my god.
I can't believe that you remember that there you had it deleted so you could undo and then copy the line of code you're looking for.
I told you, secretly I'm just like acting like I don't know how to code, but actually I can. Now I'm gonna call it balls.
I think it is loaded, isn't it? In this.
Probably it's save game here. There you go.
Yeah. Seems like you know what you're doing. You want to make this game by yourself? Is that what you're drinking? I'm gonna Thanos snap Krister away. Oh, that'd be bad. Hey guys,
do that.
First time here. I learned from Udemy 2.
Hello.
Awesome having you here. Giga Yeet. I'll just call you Giga. If you want something done right, do it yourself.
Yes.
That's what Claire thinks.
That's Claire's motto.
Yeah. But I gotta say, I'm a bit proud about the save state though, or the, click save. Look at that. Take your cursor off it. You know what it is? It's a massive button.
Does it look like jam, guys?
It's fitting. I don't like the background though. We need to fix that.
You think it would be bad, but that's logic. Claire would enjoy.
I don't want to be Thanos snapped. No, thank you.
Oh, see, now we managed to load in the right place. We actually saved the game now.
Also,
white jam. Lol. Yes.
And Friar, he's worried about that. It looks like a squishberry.
Yeah, I'm also thinking the same, Krister.
Yeah, we should change what that UI looks like. Well, I like this ball. It's
I
good.
really love this ball. I love the fact that we added like a collider on it.
But can we make that ball look nice?
Yeah, we will do. We will do.
I don't like it.
Yeah, I don't like it neither. It needs to be rounder. I feel it's not round enough.
One issue we have though. Okay, chat. Can you give us input on this? If you save now and load, the ball is going to go back to its original position.
Oh my goodness.
Is that how you want it, or would you want the ball's place in the world to be remembered?
Also, I am God. I cannot be beaten by Unity Engine 4. I agree. You can be better than Epic.
Right.
I fixed my errors. Yes, that was awesome. It took me a few seconds to be like, what? Fixed what? That's awesome.
Do we want that ball to stay consistent?
Is it important that the ball save its position?
No, it's just a play item. What we've done with it there is kind of like that's its function in the world.
Yeah. Its function in the world is to be bounced. Just like Mr. Pips goes.
Like everything's function in this game is basically just like to exist in terms of making a playground.
Yahoo!
Like this.
Rafting time.
I need to have a little break.
You need to have a break? I need to have a break. Oh, look at Autumn. It looks so snazzy. No, it doesn't. It looks crap.
No, I like it.
Claire made it. This is crap. Yeah, you can't really raft on land. It's a problem. I need to use my teleporter. Teleport. There you go. Now I can see Mushroom. Hello, Mushroom. See, we improved this. It now looks like a weird place. Yeah, I fixed the textures finally. But we added something else. Wait, are you not saving the position anymore? No, we're not saving. We're saving the position of where Mr. Pips is, and the little mini Pips. But we're not saving the position of the beach ball. Is it called a beach ball? It's a beach ball. But can I save now? And then it'll be like, I'm gonna save. There you go. Main menu, and then I can do it. Yeah. Was that the correct answer to your question, Fire? No, we're just going around. Oh man, this looks nice. Whee! Oops. Yeah, we're still not finished with Autumn. It's bad. Oh, I don't think the ball matters. Yeah, that's what I think is probably a good idea. We won't bother with the ball, so you can play with the ball as much as you want to. What's the premises of the ball or the game? Ooh, there's a beach here. The premises is that you are Mr. Pip, and you are just trying to find a place for you to grow. Trying to find your purpose in life. That's the right word. I say it perfectly when we do our YouTube videos, and I just can't say it on stream. And yeah, he's going to be picking up some mini Pips to get his family back in action again, and then eventually he's going to find a cabin, which is supposed to be up there somewhere. And
we're exploring winter, I can see.
Yeah, I'm moving out, and then that will be the end of the game.
You can see this area is quite unfinished.
If I was the ball, I would be annoyed having to start over every time the player knows.
Well, it's good that you're not the ball.
You're a strawberry exploring the world, and then
Exactly.
Mr. Pips has been eaten by an owl, squished between claws to fruit jam. No, Owleen. No. He goes to a nice cozy cabin, and all is well in the neighborhood.
Thank you for following Dance Inferno.
Thank you for the follow, Catalyst Creations.
Awesome.
And Dante's Inferno.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Did you create all graphics and animations on your own?
Pretty much.
Pretty much, yeah.
Apart
the
from
only thing we haven't done is like the
various
environment assets.
Those trees we have not made, except like a few of them. I don't remember. This is so long ago now.
Where it is.
But
we've made all of the characters ourselves and done all their little animations.
Yeah.
And
So we use some asset packs in terms of getting the world assets.
so these are all made by us and Mr. Pips.
You made some of the tree trunks yourself.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Some of the rocks we made ourselves. But most of everything
Mushroom.
else, like in terms of animation and characters,
That's it.
And here we got Mushy Room.
We've got Mushroom.
Did you feature him already?
I think you
need to read him.
Sorry. Okay, wait a second. Okay. Do you know where I can find my purpose in life? Now that sounds like a tough life, man. You gotta take it slow. To grow takes its time, you know? Yeah. And the only animation they have is this, pretty much. And I think when he's talking, he moves forward. And
No, we haven't turned that on yet.
we haven't turned it on yet. Oh no.
We need to fix that.
Oh, I like the press. Like I can press ESC now, and like the entire camera doesn't go everywhere. That's really nice.
Should we fix that background though? I think it's just so ugly.
Yeah, I think so too. We'll go fix it. There you
let's make it the black color.
go. Black color?
Just turn it to black.
Turn to black.
Yeah, so it's like faded out.
What is it? Black? Like
Faded out, so leave that one at 50.
If that is 50.
Yeah,
I'm
and
not
turn
sure
the
about-
value to 0 from 100. 1 up.
0 here.
Yeah, I think that's gonna look
there
nicer.
You go. And that's 50.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
Maybe a bit higher than 50. I like that.
Like that. A mushroom high on mushrooms?
Well, yeah, that's kind of how those characters act a bit.
Yeah. Because they're not going to move because they're lazy. They're lazy mushrooms.
Eileen says, watch Discord, cinematic sneak peek. Okay, we're going to take a look at this.
Can the strawberry turn into jam? No, he can't turn into jam. That is cruelty to strawberries, I'm afraid. Yes. It's not a horror game.
Oh.
Can Mr. Pips fart jam to fly? No.
That would be... I promise I'm mature. Take a look at this. No, this is not how Mr. Pips... No.
Well, that's not Mr. Pips. That's an animal. Definitely an animal.
Yeah. Confirmed this is all a conspiracy.
Conspiracy. We've got a conspiracy theory going on here. Wasn't also the blue barry was going to betray Mr. Pips in Act 3 or something like that?
That's an old joke.
Yeah, Mr. Pips fart jam to fly. Hashtag I promise I'm mature.
Yeah, that's what I said.
I didn't know you said that. Sorry. Yeah. It's no conspiracy. It's a sign.
Oh.
I'm watching you.
Yeah, we need to be careful here.
I can still ask on the main menu.
Oh, did we not fix that?
Oops.
Oh, maybe when the main menu first activates, we don't have the state set correctly. Is it like false by default?
I'm just gonna press continue first. Just double check. I like that one. It also happens there, but you know.
Huh? You can pause the
Load menu.
loader.
I need to take a 2 second break. So
I'll.
Crystal.
Oh, you know what we should do?
What?
I'm gonna commit our code.
You're gonna commit our code before he breaks it. If he breaks the code, you guys have to let me know. Okay.
Is he an organic strawberry or a pumped with GMOs? He actually is a wild strawberry. You have them. I don't know where. Like we have them at least here in Norway, and I think most of Northern Europe. They're really nice flavor. They're like really tiny strawberries, and it doesn't taste like regular strawberries.
Sorry, I need to take this off before she chokes on it.
Yep. Anyway, okay, let's commit our work, shall we? Oh yeah, that's a lot of code changes today. As all the pause update we did, like 1 line of code in half our script files. Let's see. Implemented pause menu. I think that's the alright commit message. Did we save the scene? That's good to check. Yeah, that seems saved. It's nice. Wild strawberries are 10 out of 10, but hard to find. Indeed. Like, I want to have my own patch in the garden where I can just grow wild strawberries. They're so good. Claire doesn't enjoy it though, but I really, really love them. They're my favorite strawberries. So yeah, he was actually supposed to be a wild strawberry. It's not very prominent in the game, but that was our thought behind it. Probably better than what we get here in America. Yeah, maybe you don't have wild strawberries in America. I don't know if it's like a European species or something. Are they still wild if you grow them? Yeah, I guess it's just the species are called that. But they're hard to grow though. But you probably can. They're a bit picky. Like they grow in weird places. Preferably the forest. Right. So I said I was gonna fix something. Yeah, not showing the pause menu in the main menu. Is showing that would be true by default. Does that fix it? Also, you don't want to show it during loading. Like, it would be weird if we could pause the loading screen. Hello, thank you for the follow. Alright, we have 2 more. Idea and Giga Yeet. Oh yeah. Cheers, Giga Yeet and Idea. That's awesome. Let's click on new game. Pause. Okay, I can pause in the... Yeah, that's weird. The loader. Let's resume the loader. That is strange.
Oh, Morris, you look so elegant. Hello, my little muffin.
Go to the main menu. Can't open up the pause.
Hello.
Let's start the game. I can still open up the pause menu here. That's very suspicious.
I'm just gonna move my bit in here. I have a big in your bit.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Can I speedrun this on AGDQ? What's AGDQ?
It's probably a speedrunning system or site or something. I haven't heard about it.
You broke so much, you had to fix everything. Oh, Crystal, what have you broken now?
You can open up the pause menu in the main menu still. I committed our work, I done good. See? I done that change. That's how much code I wrote while you were gone.
You spelled true wrong.
No, I did not. But about speedrunning this game, yeah, you certainly can, but it's certainly a game which is not made for speedrunning.
No. Yeah. But we do like the fact that we made a game Carrots from Heaven, and there was one guy called Gandhi who went and pretty much tried to find everything that could break the game and reported it to us.
Yeah, that was neat.
And that was so much fun. And he was like, yeah, I can just like walk off the side of the level and drop down. And we're like, oh shoot, we didn't even know that was possible. So we had to install invisible walls everywhere.
Are you going to port the game to mobile app? Probably not, because this game has never been made with that in mind.
No.
We have not made this game in mind with performance.
No.
You need probably decent graphics card. Low poly is just a hot mess of polys.
Polygons.
Yeah, we're not.
It's not a Tomb Raider game. It's not a Tomb Raider game.
We have no LODs on the assets or anything, so.
AGDQ is Awesome Games Done Quickly charity event on Twitch. Oh, I didn't know that.
Right, that's cool. Thank you for informing us about that.
This looks like a fun game you'd see available on the Switch.
Yeah, it would do.
That, yeah.
But maybe we keep working on it. For time being, it's planned to release this on itch for PC and pay what you want and see how that goes.
And eventually it'll be, The Life of Mr. Pips on Switch.
The Life of Mr. Switch? No.
The Life of Mr. Switchy Pips. So you said something about something and something happened and something.
Yeah. There's also a speedrun convention for summer.
Games done quick.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, they raised 3 million this year.
Wow, that's impressive. I love when how games for good and charity and Humble Bundle is a great example as well of collecting to charity with game sales.
Does Unity port the game automatically for you to other platforms?
Well, it helps a lot in the process because it has build targets such as.
You see here, build.
Yeah, go to build settings.
So you have like tvOS, PlayStation 4, iOS, Xbox, Android, WebGL, Facebook.
Yeah, I don't see.
And then PC, Mac.
I don't see Switch there, but no. I know a lot of Switch games are made in Unity, so.
Yeah, I think it might be that you have to install something for it. I think
probably. Yeah.
They are highly corrupt, though. They are very woke, and so they can ban streamers for like no reason.
Are you talking about either the speedrunning convention or are you talking about Humble Bundle? Yeah. Anyway.
We should get the answers to
we should fix that issue. I don't know why it's happening though.
No, let's have a look. It's probably in the main menu.
Yes. We say that the main menu. No, because you can open
It's showing true. We don't say anywhere here to not have the pause menu to run.
Yeah, well, if you go to the pause menu's update loop, scroll up a bit. There. If the main menu is showing, then forget everything that's happening below here. Right? And here we say it's showing it's true by default. Maybe I forgot to save. Try again.
It's definitely saved up top. Switch requires a special SDK from Nintendo that you have to get approved in order to download.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Yeah. I expected them to be quite proprietary about it. But,
I've only messed around with Godot. I haven't tried Unity yet.
They're very different beasts. And thank you for following Mac Wendo, but like Guido or Godot engine.
Godot.
It's really nice for probably smaller projects, or you can make also if you're into doing everything yourself a bit more from scratch. While Unity gives you a lot for free, like it has all the platforms, it has nav mesh, it has different rendering, cullings, features.
But it's also a lot to learn as well.
Yeah, and how to operate it.
Godot has like less learning, doesn't it?
Yeah, I would say so. But then you also do more on your own.
Yeah. Yeah, so why does this not function? I have no
Did
idea.
it still have a
It
problem?
still has the same problem.
I wasn't paying attention, sorry.
Is return, maybe we're doing something wrong here? Maybe what we should do is just
print it.
debug
Good idea.
log, and then we can do like, I don't know, main menu.
Yeah.
Not showing. That's not that. But Maury, you've eaten plenty now.
Maybe it's something else which is making it call up.
Maybe.
So that logic there seems pretty solid.
Just tell Nintendo to
Nigerian prince, and you need to
SK.
and SK for your kingdom or something. Yeah, we can try that.
Main menu is not showing here. So it's managed to run on to the next one. Maybe it's the main menu. Maybe
How many times did it get called?
Oh shoot, I didn't check.
Like 587 times, okay.
So maybe it's the fact that when is the main menu? This is at start. The other one is at update.
Wait a second. Go back to the pause menu. If the main menu is showing return. Yeah, that's correct. Go back to the main menu. Right. Maybe we can do here. Set it to true. Oh, we made it.
Set the initial value.
No, Claire.
Yeah.
We set the initial value, but we set it to public. And what does public values do in Unity? They get serialized. So in the editor, if you click into Unity editor, it's set to false. Click on the level manager in top left there. There, it's... I don't like that behavior.
No, I mean, like, if you put it in code, it's like expected to work like that.
Yeah,
not...
take my proper default value from my code. Yeah.
Yeah, no.
What?
But it didn't the first time.
Good job, Unity. But okay, so the first time.
So the first time it didn't do it. The second time it did.
So when you press twice, it comes up anyway.
And then it completely disables any.
This is the strange behavior you get when you
let me not
spaghetti
maximize.
code everything yourself.
Let's not maximize on play and see then what is happening over here.
Yeah, that's a good idea, because then we can see the state. Oh, Claire, you took the long one. You clicked on the unplay.
Oh, sorry.
We clicked on the pause script instead of the main menu script.
Unity in 2016, Unity in 2020.
Okay, I need to open up these links.
Make games.
Oops.
Oh shoot, you
closed
closed Twitch.
Close Twitch.
Not Twitch.
Give me a second. Yeah, I lost the link because of the... Can you send the link again? Oh.
This is a noob.
My chat reset.
You don't have the look of it.
There, thank you.
There you go.
Right.
Oh my gosh, yes. You need to show the original one first. Yeah.
There we go.
Unity in 2016. You make games. And then Unity 2019, you...
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
This is exactly what it feels like.
Legacy input system, particle system, visual effects craft, Unity UI elements. Yeah, sweat.
That is pretty accurate, actually.
That's pretty accurate, actually.
But
Doesn't have the build part neither, though. That's the important one.
we're getting there, you know.
I love watching the camera just running around whilst, on the screen there. Yay! Yeah.
Is it working?
Yeah. I'll go to the main menu now.
Oh, you can't get the pause menu anymore. Nice.
Finally, we have fixed all our problems. Now we can commit. Fixed. Unity being strange with our... Oh my god, I can't even speak now. Fixed Unity paused menu on the main menu.
Yeah.
There you go.
I like that commit message. Brilliant.
I'm also in my commit messages. This is why Chris hates when I do commit messages.
Were we supposed to do a stable branch? We
were supposed to do that. We haven't done that yet.
We forgot that.
My current project is HDRP.
Game objects.
Input system, visual effects graphs, and Unity UI. Lol, what a freaking mess.
I can understand that. Yeah. We're using the LVRP for this one, but we are not using that many other things. We're using shader graph quite a lot, but not the visual effects graph.
Yeah, we wanted to do all like ambient inclusion and everything on the lightweight render pipeline, and figured out you can't actually do that. Like, no.
But what type of game are you working on, Catalyst?
Yes.
Yeah, happy to share your link and just,
Everybody else share what you're also working on as well.
Yeah. Or how you doing this morning. You can share a link to that.
No, I'm just imagining people just like taking a photo of like sleeping like or eating pizza or making cake.
Or in the shower, whichever.
Yeah, shower pictures, no thanks.
No, okay.
No. Now someone's just gonna put their phone in the shower and be like, yo, I'm in the shower. I'm like, oh god.
But we've done pretty well though.
We have.
I think everything is working. Oh, you can still pause here.
Oh shoot.
That we need to fix.
Shoot, man. Okay. We need to go into the level loaders now. And we need to
Yeah.
We
We need to have a state here called is loading.
Should I just copy it from over here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go over here and put it in the state here.
I can also just call it is showing, that's fine.
No, because I'm gonna get confused. Is loading.
Okay. Make
True.
a capital L.
Oh, sorry, I did put a capital L, it didn't work.
Yeah, of course.
Current mood. I haven't eaten breakfast yet, but my cold is gone.com. That's awesome that your cold is gone.
This is current mood. Hello, I'm awake. Awesome.
We like that your cold is gone.
I'm glad to hear that.
That's not an actual...
What do you mean? Why do you send me links that don't work?
Because I haven't eaten breakfast yet, but my cold is gone.com because you wanted to have links, Come on, what do you expect?
You need to put up a website or start a web server. Am I too demanding?
Yeah, you are. Poor Friar, he's just got over his cold, and you're asking him to make a web server and put his website up on there. He needs to buy a domain. There's a lot towards getting a...
I understand. Yeah. I'm too demanding.
Chris is demanding. I apologize for you. Don't be so serious. You need to sing too now. I can't sing.
No, I think we'll pass on that with
No,
our
I can't sing.
current voices.
No, I can't sing. Yeah, so we're doing is loading, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Can you sing, Auline? There you go, you can sing for us.
Yeah, that's a good idea. She should do a song.
Ah, well, you know, yeah. I bloody sing in the next devlog, and I'm like, shh.
Actually, we do sing in the next devlog, don't we? And I think I'm including that in the edit.
Damn it! This is what happens when you think about the Venga boys. Boom, boom, boom.
I can sing Rammstein. Oh, that fits you perfectly. That'll be awesome.
I'll sing it's a Scottish folk song, Chris.
What?
Come on.
I'm not the right person for that.
Okay, at least sing the Welsh national anthem.
I think I heard it once in my life.
No, you have heard it multiple times because they sing it at the Six Nations.
Which I've been watching once in my life.
No, you've watched it twice. It was outside our window in Swansea.
Oh, that's true.
That's probably a cheap domain to buy.
That is a good point.
At least they don't penalise you for how long your domain name can be.
Ich will. Kannst du.
Well, I've heard you sing Toss a Pip to Your Berry.
Yeah.
Spin it up on GitHub for free.
Yeah, that's...
Will dum dum dum. I don't know about that. It's not that bad.
She's trying to sing Rammstein. That's how the lyrics go.
Oh, does it? Okay, I have. Yeah.
I don't remember the lyrics. It's so long since I heard it. I used to listen quite a bit to Rammstein. So cool.
I haven't listened to them in ages.
Yeah, that's been a while.
Since I was a little kitty wink now.
Little kitty wink listening to
Probably my
Rammstein.
teenagers.
Yeah.
Time when you go through your... Yeah.
But
yes, we were doing this loading. I got confused what we were doing.
Forgot we were doing that.
Do we need to do it in the pause menu, I guess?
Yeah, so in here we just need to ask the same thing. We
do have loader.
We do have loader.
I'll just paste it.
Yeah.
Returnee.
Nice. That should do the trick. I think that's it.
Even Aurora knows Rammstein.
Yeah, I do. Who's Aurora?
The Norwegian singer.
Oh! Sorry.
So you see, I know that, and Krista doesn't. Yeah. Do you play the bagpipes? No, we don't.
We should have some pips that play some bagpipes though.
Oh, we should.
That'd be good. Who is Aurora? Sorry, can't be so slack here. I thought we were talking about somebody in chat. I wasn't outside the current sphere of this.
He's out the current sphere of normality.
That I have.
But at least he knows Toss a Pip to Your Berry, so I mean, come on. Slack!
You can't cut any of those. Does it work?
Yes, it worked. Sorry, I just disappeared from it quickly. I apologize.
Well, that's good news. So you can't pause this. No.
And I suspect it's still...
It doesn't work anymore. Oh, you know why?
Because we
forgot to disable it on the level loader. I think we're a bit distracted.
Should we do it in the load scene?
No. In the load level async.
That's a low level async. There you go, here.
Yeah. And then scroll down. Ooh. No. We should do it. Yeah, we should do it here. But its loading should be true at that point.
Is it true?
Yeah.
And then it should be false later.
Yeah. And on line 51, we also need to set it to false.
Line 51.
This is like a perfect bug if we hadn't done this today.
There you go, false.
Because we have like a separate exit and then on the bottom of the line where it's going basically together with last index.
Where to? Where do you want me to put it?
Scroll down, keep scrolling. There.
There you go. I didn't see there was a last index there.
Yeah.
It's false.
Yeah. The way we have coded this is meant for future bugs. But it's good that it's finished, so we're never going to touch it again, right?
Yeah.
It's not going to have any future bugs.
Nice. What else do you guys have on the to-do list?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Yeah,
we should see if this works, though. You have
it's
it
not
half...
even showing. It's half on the off screen. There you go.
Yeah.
It's like you love us to-do ideas, not even to-do. There is more than this.
We have a lot of to-dos, so this is just
yeah.
the vague to-dos.
This is that I need to put the script in to all of the characters, which we started doing, actually. We did actually in the springtime.
Oh, you mean their story?
Mm-hmm. Thank you for the follow, Uld Dizzy.
Uld Dizzy. Awesome.
We've been watching Beforeigners, so
oh, that's a cool show.
It's a cool game. Game show there.
For the Norwegians here, or XE,
I think it's also available anywhere in HBO.
Yeah, HBO Europe.
I think HBO Europe.
If anybody's seen Beforeigners, let us know.
Oh, you've got the cursor here.
When the pause menu deactivates?
Oh, no, it's because I press ask, that's why.
Alright.
Probably not going to be in game. There you go. It works. It works, guys. It works. Yeah, so if I go back to spring... Oh, shoot, I got to load spring. Let's go back to the main menu. Let's load spring. So we added in the story now at the beginning. Works.
We're not following solid principles, huh? Yeah, we definitely not following solid principles.
What solid principles are we supposed to be following?
I bet it's a way of programming so you make less bugs.
Oh.
I need to log out now. I need to focus on game dev. Awesome having you here, Evelyn.
Yeah.
Thank you for dropping by today.
Thank you for dropping by. No destroying strawberries.
And thank you for waking up early this morning. I'm sorry we were a little bit late. My hair was kind of important.
Yeah. But don't forget to have some cake.
Yeah.
And have a nice day and weekend.
Have a lovely day and do some good game dev. Yes.
And you can say bye-bye to Miss Blue Mary.
Blue Mary says bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, okay, you can talk. Yes, I'm trying to find my way. Can you tell me? Yeah, okay, great. I've read this. Oh, no.
Do we maybe need to do so you can't immediately talk to them again? There's like a delay. So what you just experienced doesn't happen?
Well, maybe that won't work very well for that down there.
That's true.
I'm not gonna spoil it. I'm not gonna spoil it.
But
woohoo!
Then we have this working then.
We do have this working, but we haven't tossed the pip to our berry.
Well, we should toss some pips to our berries then.
The berry. Yeah, and we have been streaming now for 2 hours, I think. Yep.
Yeah.
It's just it's incorrect because we had half an hour of.
Yeah, our stream bugging out. There's a lot of pip tossing here, Claire. So yeah, this character here is a test character we're currently talking with right now. For those who don't know, and he spawns little pip kiddos, which is what you pick up throughout the game. But yeah, we are here for testing. We have him at the beginning.
Tell me he has an exploding power where the pit shot 360 out of his body.
That'd be a pretty cool one.
Yeah.
But it's not supposed to be in the game.
No.
How come he does 360 sometimes and sometimes he just jumps? Yeah, so the reason he sometimes tumbles is that if the ground angle below him is more than 30 degrees, then he will start tumbling.
Yep.
And sometimes when he jumps, there is a slope and then he starts tumbling. But I'm planning to actually implement that when he jumps more than 1 second, he also starts tumbling. But I haven't gone around to that. So yeah, there's that.
Does this still bounce?
Yeah.
It still bounces. I love all my little mini pips following me. Hello.
So yeah, in general, when he's in the slope, he starts tumbling, even if he's
whoa, they just jumped up above.
That was weird. Yeah,
Woohoo!
those weird kills.
I love it, guys.
Bugging it out a little bit, but it's working.
Yeah, it's fun to see them bug out like that.
I love cute physics.
Yeah.
Got some Pikeman vibes. I don't know what that was for. Sorry, I'm a bit slow at reading.
I like that little emote.
That's a cute emo.
Do we?
Talking of
we
which-
haven't. This is our old dialogue system.
Maybe we should fix that.
No. We should do.
Yeah, you want to do that?
And should we maybe finish off today though? Round up the stream
Yeah, okay.
because I'm getting tired and hungry.
I'm
I
also
get
getting
tired and
really,
hungry.
really hungry.
It's not a good idea. I mean, the dogs have had food, we haven't. I mean, seriously,
That's a good point.
it's not fun.
But we've done really good finishing up the pause thing. It's
We
starting
did.
to function more like a proper game.
Yeah, ish.
What we should be doing though, Claire, today, that's a good goal. We should make a build of the game, see that it works, and make a stable branch.
Ah, we should do.
Yeah,
Yeah, because I saw that you hadn't finished it.
we can't do that on stream because making a build is gonna, lag out the computer.
Oh, it's the old conversation script that I have.
Yeah, but he has the new toon
He has
shader.
a toon shader on him. You look so cute, Jamie. I hate you.
That is terrible.
He's a foul brother. It's not very nice.
What's your thought process on the new dialogue versus the old one? Yeah, we can just show you quickly.
Yeah.
So if you click on don't talk with him,
So then it was down here.
on the bottom of the screen you would have his text and it would just have the name of the character, and we also hadn't a system where Mr. Pips could talk back and it wouldn't be clear who would be talking.
Yeah.
So in the new one, if you teleport to a person who has the new one, Blue Mary has it.
Yeah, Blue Mary has it.
We have the speech bubbles above the character, so it's a bit easier to follow the flow of conversation, and also coloring in for who's talking, so he can respond. And
So Mr. Pips actually can talk back. Previously he couldn't. You should eat some strawberries. I haven't seen Jamie before. That's kawaii. Oh.
Yeah, Jamie is hanging out on the. He was one berry he didn't get
Thrown off.
thrown off the bush from
see.
by the boar at the.
See, now I can restart the game and not have to play in pause. So
In the intro cutscene, a boar comes and shakes their strawberry bush, and Jamie
so what remaining?
is the one left behind, and he is in a very foul mood when you chat with him.
Yeah, he wants to flirt with the local blueberry ladies,
Yes.
which is missing up above on the one.
Yeah. So there's that.
Oh man.
Later today, I'm going to be working on editing our devlog.
Yeah.
It's making good progress. I'm editing it in DaVinci Resolve instead of Premiere at the moment.
I think it's in the 360 again there.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
I love those tumbles.
I love those tumbles.
I want more of them.
More of
It
them.
just feels right for the game. But so we hopefully be publishing that maybe on Monday if I do good work.
Chris does good work.
Yep.
Because we finished our recording and everything. Now we just need to add more sound effects and explosions and.
There's going to be explosions in the vlog, yeah. So that'll be fun.
That'd be fun. Let's see. I didn't get any berries here. Oh, poop. Oh well. There's a random bird which is going to be got rid of. Oh, hello, loading screen. There you go. Oh, there's another toss of pip to your berry. Oh, love you guys.
Now you got little mini pip kiddos.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're trying to wrap up, aren't we?
Yes, we were trying to wrap up, and then I got excited with mini pip kiddos and Jammy and showing everything off.
Yep.
You need a multiplayer feature.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not going to do that with this one, I'm afraid. We have
Definitely.
ideas for other co-op games we're going to make where we just solely focus on that. But yeah, we're not going to do it with this one because this is going to take another year before this is finished.
Thank you so much for following Wonderful Mustard.
No, Wonder Mustard, thank you for the follow.
Wonderful.
Wonderful Mustard.
Yes. Awesome.
Strawberry MMO.
Yep.
Should make a strawberry MMO. Everyone would love it then. We need to do that.
Should we do a raid today or something like that?
Yeah, we can do
We
it.
actually have. We've been terrible because we're bad Twitch streamers. We should raid.
Yeah.
Do you guys have any suggestions, or should I just go into the science and technology and have a look?
Chris, I can't spell science.
No.
You need to have a C before the I. Should I change over to the
It's
laptop
complicated.
here?
Yeah, let's switch. So let's see who's currently
Streamer
live.
mode, every mini pip is a viewer.
Of course, we have Kindred Dev live. He does some really nice game dev.
Does really good game dev.
Should we raid Kindred Dev? Oh,
What else is there?
Unity Hobbyist Project C# working on hangars. We can also raid him, maybe.
Oh, we should rate ourselves.
We can raid ourselves. Yeah.
We should have somebody who's like, you know, got lower viewers. Like the sheeps. No, they don't need it. Unity 3D seemed
Yeah, but he doesn't have a camera, you know.
Doesn't have a camera, it doesn't have a
Here's
camera.
make my
There's
first...
an owl, there's an owl! Oh, Owleen would have loved that. Is this an open source project?
No, unfortunately.
Oh.
But it's not that, you know, very proprietary neither.
Trulade is pretty cool too if you guys want to check him out. Where was that?
Trulade. I gotta have a little look at it. Was it on this page?
CH.
C. I don't see it there. CHL. There's nothing here.
Oh no, there isn't. Yeah.
But yeah, we can jump in. Maybe let's. What was it? Make my first game Unity. As long as this mic is working and stuff like that.
Doesn't have a face camera, but he has a camera like that.
Yeah. That's neat. I need to watch more other Twitch streamers on as well. Let's go.
Should we raid this dude? Or should we raid somebody else?
Oh, make up your mind then.
I don't know. I mean, I want the chicken, but I mean...
But, Shulate is live right now. Sorry for not finding him earlier. I did...
Oh, it's in Arch.
Right.
Doing epic... Oh, okay. Movie and production using Unreal Engine.
That is impressive.
That is neat. Chicken. Wonder Mustard wants the chicken.
Yeah.
I want the chicken too.
This chicken? Are we talking about that?
No, I don't think we're talking about... Are we talking about that chicken? Is there chicken there? What's happening there?
Ready? I think we do... Actually, I've never done how we do this, so...
No, you do it from there. Raid channel there.
Alright.
And then you do it. Because there's no idea.
I have no idea.
Channels you follow.
Should we go with Trulade then?
Should we do that? Should we do that, guys?
Yes. Seems like a nice guy. So let's go for it. Anyway, I hope you guys have a lovely week.
Yep.
And I'll start the raid and have a good time. Do it!
Have an awesome weekend, guys. And keep being awesome.
We're gonna join Trulade for a bit and hang out.
Bye-bye!
See you around!
You need to press on it.
Raid now. Okay, then I think if we go to Trulade here.
I can
turn them on.
do I press end stream?
I think so. Yes.
Do I press end stream?